My name is Sayan Datta, a student of Masters in Forensic Science at Bundelkhand University. Today, we are honored to have Dr. Ashok Kumar Jaiswal, scientist at Forensic Medicine and Toxicology at AIIMS, New Delhi. Sir has done his post-graduation and PhD from Gorakhpur University, Gorakhpur. Sir has 24 years of experience in this particular field. Dr. Jaiswal worked on Sushant Singh Rajput case and Asthana case. Dr. Jaiswal has 200 published papers and 5 books in his name. He is also editor-in-chief in 3 journals. Sir has mastered so many instrumental techniques like GLC, HPLC, FTIR, UV visible, GCHS, flame photometer, and photography. Sir has also the board of referee at Indian Police Journal. Sir has worked with National Institute of Forensic Science and Criminology, and now from 2006 he is with AIIMS New Delhi. Sir, I would like to thank you to join with us on behalf of the entire team at forensicscienceencyclopedia.com.
Thank you for inviting me in this wonderful occasion. I am thankful to the HOD Forensic Science, Department of Forensic Science, Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. And I am associated this university from long time, but due to some engagement, I am not come frequently, but as when required, I used to come, and the university has performing well. I have interacted with several students of this university. Time to time, they have visited my place, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, several times. Whatever facility we have available, we are interacting each other as when required.
Thank you so much, sir. Could you briefly describe about your role and your responsibilities at AIIMS Delhi?
Actually, in this AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, little bit different from this forensic science, because here we are handling 2 types of cases. One, live cases, and live cases means medico legal importance for emergencies. Some cases are coming, and some medico legal. Like this, somebody has taken any chemical or poisons. They are coming for treatment purpose. If they have died or accident has taken place, that time this will become medico legal, and that will be different things. So we are providing 2 types of services, clinical as well as forensic services. So clinical for the medical only treatment purposes, and medico legal and other investigating officer for the police officer, CBI officer as when required. Case to case we are working.
That sounds interesting, sir. What initially motivated you to pursue a career in forensic science? And
Actually, I am not basically forensic scientist. I have not done MSc, PhD or anything in forensic science. That time long back when we were in this education, that time a forensic science subject was a very, it is not progress. Pure subject like physics, chemistry, biology, people are used to come in this field. But now this lot of these changes has taken place, and graduation, post graduation are going on the forensic science. That time it was not there. So pure science people like chemistry, biology, physics, different pure scientific background people used to come. I have done my MSc in chemistry and PhD also in chemistry. But 99 when I joined this National Institute of Criminology and Forensic Science, after then I have realized this is a forensic science and this is actual science. The application of science, chemistry we can apply on human being. And that interest, then when I joined the NICF, then I realized the forensic science, it is very interested, and directly we can give this benefit to the applying this science, we can give the benefit to this society. So after then I have not thought to go other side, and I have started my career since 99 to 99. I have started as a forensic science, and after then I am giving the regular teaching, conducting this several workshop related to the forensic science, basically forensic chemistry and toxicology, my specialized field.
okay, sir, but as you said, forensic is an upcoming field nowadays. There are so many students who are considering a career in forensic science. So, what educational background is essential?
Actually, MSc at least forensic science required. And if graduation, some places there is a problem I have seen. In they are asking the graduate in pure subject like chemistry, physics, biology they are asking, and then they are asking this master in forensic science. So better people should come from the pure science graduate, and post graduation should be done in forensic science. That will be more useful, because some forensic science laboratory they are not considering if they are BSc in forensic science for few posts, but they should modify. Earlier there was no course for like BSc forensic science, but now courses are available, so people should come and the recruitment rules should be modified accordingly. So they should consider the BSc forensic science student as well as MSc forensic science student.
So, as you said, for masters in forensic science, so how crucial is practical experience or internship during their studies?
This is very important because it is a science, and science without practical there is no science. And practical in all this field required. Like forensic chemistry, we should conduct all this practical knowledge. You come on instrumentation. Nowadays, instrumentation plays very important role, like DNA and others. By this using instrumentation, we can come on conclusion that this is material. If suppose anybody has given any poison or any chemicals, if you have instrumental knowledge, we can analyze this sample, biological sample, and report this poison is there, this such type of chemical is there. So instrumental knowledge is very crucial, and such type of training, if they are, so in MSc curriculum I have seen in subject there is instrumentation chapter is there. Syllabus में that sometimes they have paper on the instrumentation. It is very essential, and practical, it should be theoretical as well as it should be experimental. Basic experiments should be provided on this at least graduation level, and advanced should be given on this master level.
Okay, sir. Along with the technical skills, what soft skills are valuable for a forensic scientist?
For technical, besides soft skill is very important. When we are doing the investigation, your skill is matter. If people sufferer people, how we are talking, how we are speaking, how we are interviewing them, accordingly then you can come on the any conclusion, you can get this information. If your this soft skill is not good, then very difficult to get this small clues, small information.
What type of entry-level positions or roles are available to recent graduates in forensic science?
In this graduate level, this entry, they are scientific assistant, junior scientific assistant entries are available, or sometimes they can take as a lab assistant or junior scientific assistant they can recruit. But generally people are searching master in forensic science. Then they can independent investigation or experimentation they can do. At least master degree should be there.
Okay, sir.
For in forensic or when they are joining any forensic science laboratory.
Okay, sir. Can you describe any common career paths or advancement opportunities within the field?
There are a lot of the field nowadays. People are demanding forensic scientists in insurance, banking, and recent law they have changed. There also they have made the compulsion one scientist should be forensic scientist should go on this crime scene. They should evaluate, because the scientific person they can understand what material should be taken, what should be not taken, how can we analyze everything they know. Police having their different training, but scientific person having different training, and they are related to their field. So such type of experience required.
So, as you from forensic medicine and toxicology, so this field generally rely on the MD, MS doctors.
Yes. Actually, what is happening in each medical college, there is a department forensic medicine and toxicology. So postmortem work they are doing this clinical person, MD, MBBS people. But analytical, and this, if suppose anybody has taken any chemicals, any poison, who will tell this chemistry of this, what they have taken, how it has come? They have to extract from this biological material and report. That should be done by the forensic scientist. And postmortem work will be conducted by this MD people, MBBS people.
Okay,
They can't do this work, and this forensic science people, they can't conduct the postmortem. So there are two types. So each and every department required at least 1-2 forensic scientists.
What are some of the most challenging aspects of working in forensic science?
Challenges like different types, always challenges in each and every field. Here also these challenges, how you are receiving the sample, how we are maintaining the chain of custody, how we are reporting your things, what experiment you are doing. It should be repeatable. Can be proved in code. What we have done, this is the scientific way, and this is what we have given in report. This is there, and that should be totally on scientific background. It should be not on anywhere. I have seen. I have he told, she told like this. It should be on scientific background.
And as per your perspective, what are the future trends or innovation in forensic science and how should students prepare for this?
Lot of chances of innovation, different new techniques are coming, they have to develop, and several areas are like now AI techniques and others has come, so they have to utilize cyber forensic is increasing demand. People are cheated by some notorious peoples. So there are lot of this scope of innovation. Like similar way in instrumentation, lot of techniques, they have to develop the technique how small biological material we can detect the poison, we can detect the chemical. People now still they are using the 200 300 gram of the viscera, urine 100 ml 200, blood 5 ml 6 ml. But we have to innovate how can we minimum 1 ml blood, 1 2 ml urine, few grams of tissue, we can tell this all the poison, we can analyze the whole range of these chemicals. So lot of these chances of innovation. And then students are doing lot of these new things are coming daily. People are working, and several branches. Earlier only 3 4 branches people are considering forensic, but now are more than 26 27 branches are there, and people are continuously working.
So, as there are so many students working or pursuing a career in forensic science, what do you think? What are the mistakes they are making in this process?
Mistakes, there is no mistakes. I can't tell any mistakes. But my, as per seeing the recruitment rule, my advice people should do this graduation in pure science and do this master degree in forensic science. Otherwise, also the forensic leader should change the recruitment rule. So because after taking the qualification, students should not suffer. Na? If anybody is doing the graduation, their route which should be open. So all the forensic science laboratories should same recruitment rule. If anybody has done BA graduation, I have seen one student, they told ki I have gone for interview, they told you have not pure science, you have done graduation in forensic science, so we will not consider. Why? This time is long back when there was no course in BSc, there was no MSc in forensic science. But now is the BSc is going on, MSc is going on. So all recruitment rules should be modified according to this availability. So these forensic science people will come in their domain and they will work better for the country.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights with us today. So it has been a pleasure to speaking with you. Is there anything else you would like to add before we conclude?
No, I've explained everything, and I expect all this teaching institution like this Jhansi, and they are doing well. We should motivate always the student. We should not demoralize this. Sometimes people are thinking, okay, I have done the MSc forensic science, I have done this one, I am not getting. But lot of the government is also trying to do always each and every. I have seen this recently. Delhi FSL, they have recruited several posts for this crimes in BG and other department. They are taking this post. So a lot of opportunities are coming, and the student in coming future time, more and more demand will increase for the forensic science, because each and every body required one forensic scientist for the investigation. Where investigation word will come, we need this forensic scientist. Without we can't do. And legal requirement now is changing, so demand in coming future it will increase.
Great, thank you so much, sir. We all appreciate the guidance you have provided us. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.